Well, this is it. Today's the day. The parts for the refit of my 2005 or 2000. I keep blanking on the actual year this version of the Millennium Falcon was released. But regardless, I do have the parts to finish my refit, and I'm going to show you what she looks like now. Here she is. These are the retro edition figures. Han Solo, Chewbacca. I never had those when I was a kid, but as you can see, some of these parts I think are from other releases, so the colors are just slightly off. This particular canopy, it might be from the previous release because it's just kind of just sitting there. And I think the same goes for the back cover, which is fine with me. I don't really care as long as it finishes the overall look of the Falcon. I did get the quad cannon and the cover. There's that. There would be the completed quad cannon assembly with the gunner chair. I did get the back to landing gear along with the deflector dish. She looks good. Now there is some color difference, but you know what? For the purposes of this piece, I don't really care. I think it brings a little bit more character. You know, she's obviously seen some action and had multiple refits. This is also the hatch. I did not get the smuggling compartment cover. I need to get a replacement holographic gaming table along with the two struts that go here for the hatch ramp. Those, I think, are the only pieces that I'm missing from this. This version did not come with the little Jedi training drone, so I'm not going to worry about putting that together on this. I mean, I could always get one and attach it after the fact, but I don't think it's really necessary, especially since it's going to be a display piece for my own personal enjoyment. There's a lot of cracks all along the hull and superstructure, but she's not too bad. I think this is the most, if I really wanted to, I could get some polyurethane plastic, a sheet, and just fabricate the edge here, but I don't think I'm going to. I may end up getting a Dremel and straightening this out, but I'm going to let it be for a little while, and I'll decide later. Here are... Oh, there we go. The new yellow LEDs that I installed. Before I lock her up, get to see So, if you have any comments on my restoration, now it's not a traditional restoration in the sense that it's all the same parts that have were released with the original one. I did what was the most cost-effective route. There are some modifications that I can make to make it look a little bit tighter, and I may end up doing that. But given the overall condition of the piece when I found it and what it is now, I'm really happy with how this comes. But then again, I tend to like restoring stuff. I'm a big fan of Toy Polloi and his entire wabi sabi aesthetic as far as his restorations go. He's a big influence on how and why I do some of the stuff that I do. So if you got any comments, if you like it, don't like it, let me know in the comments section, and I will catch you kids on the flip side, and may the force be with you.